Hi everyone, welcome to another one of my video. In today's video I am going to be making another request from one of my subscriber. It's a chicken rice soup and I am excited about making this video. I think I'm going to be loving the soup, and without further ado, let's get into the video. So guys, here are the ingredients for the chicken rice soup. Here I have some stock that I made. I did it myself. Some chicken broth I made. This is 500 milliliter of broth. My homemade. You could also use you can buy the broth from the can, but I prefer to make my own from the chicken. And here I debone chicken from the thigh. From the thigh. You could you will also be seeing how I cut up a whole chicken. That's a thigh. I used one piece of the thigh from that video, from that chicken thigh. I deboned it for the purpose of the soup. And I have salt here. I love to use all-purpose seasoning, so you could use all-purpose, any brand all-purpose seasoning. And I'm going to be using about a teaspoon to a tablespoon of butter to saute at the beginning. Allspice, it's same as pimento. I love allspice. And I'm going to be using this base here, the soup stock base, as my powder seasoning. I got it from this packet. Okay, I just took it from the Mr. Noodles packet because I love it. I love the way it tastes. So this is a soup stock base. You can use 2 or 3 tablespoons of this is white rice. And I have carrot, celery. I have my carrot, celery, green onions, garlic, all chopped up here. So guys, let's get into making the soup. Okay guys, I have my pot heating here. I'm just gonna be putting in just a little pat of butter. I would say I'm not gonna put a lot of butter because making the chicken stock with the chicken, from the chicken skin, there's enough oil in the stock. So I'd say a teaspoon of butter. A teaspoon of butter. You don't have to do this, guys. You could go straight with putting your chicken in along with the stock, but I'm just gonna quickly saute the chicken. So I have my chicken here washed, the chicken thigh as I mentioned before. And as I said, you don't have to go this route. You could just put the chicken in along with the stock, but I'm just gonna quickly saute it here. You don't want it to stick to the pot, so that's why I am taking it off the burner with the flame turned up. You don't want the meat to stick to the pot. So saute for like a minute. Just get the chicken to brown a bit. And then I'm going to quickly add some of, the garlic here. Some of the onion that I have here, the garlic, the onion, half of the celery, and the carrot. Not all of it, just some of it, so that it could cook with the meat. It could cook with the chicken and saute. Smells really good already, guys. I'm really excited about this recipe. I've never tried it before, and I am excited. Smells good already. And then because I don't want the meat and the veggie to start sticking, I'm gonna pour on this 500 millimeter chicken stock. So we pour it on with the stove on 8, and then I'm just gonna add some allspice, like just a dash, 1-2 dashes, because it's very strong. And I'm gonna add some this all-purpose seasoning, like, yeah, 3 shakes are good. And the salt, I'm not gonna go with too much salt, maybe just like a dash of salt, 1 or 2 dashes. And then with the flame turned up, because I want this chicken to cook for at least half an hour, because whenever you're cooking meat, guys, your meat should be thoroughly cooked. Okay, so in the pot with the stock, I have the garlic, like 2 pieces of the garlic. I had like 3 pegs, three pieces, so I put two in, with maybe 5 pieces of carrot, and celery, green onion, and onion. So I'm just gonna allow this to cook. Have it cooking for at least half an hour. It is now 10:47, so because the rice takes at least about 10 minutes to cook. So at 11 or 11:05, then I'll add the rice. When this starts boiling up, I'll turn it down. I'll turn it down on maybe 5 or 3, depending on how much it's boiling, so that it can cook. Okay, so I'll just cover for now. And guys, I didn't put any black pepper. I might be putting black pepper or the Scotch bonnet pepper. The choice is yours. So either the Scotch bonnet or the black pepper. Actually, I think I'll just put some black pepper. And because I had black pepper in the broth here, so that was why I didn't. So maybe like just a little shake. I don't want too much black pepper in it. Okay, guys. And as I said before, the recipe will be in the description section below. So it's boiling up now. The stove is on 8. I'm gonna turn it down to at 3 and let it cook. Yeah, because the flame is too high for it to cook. I don't want the water to dry out before the soup is cooked. The chicken soup is cooked. So then, yeah, I cover it, and just enough flame for it to be boiling. So I put it on 2. If it stops boiling, then cooking, then I'll turn it back up. Okay, guys. So I'll check back in about 10-15 minutes. I'll check back where I'll be adding the rice. I'll be adding the rice, and yeah, adding the rice, and then the veggie, the carrot, and the remainder of vegetables here. I won't add it until like 10 minutes before I'm about to turn it off, because I don't want it to cook too soggy. If you're the type of person that you like your vegetable to cook soggy, then fine, maybe 15 minutes before turning off the stove, then you can put your veggie in. But I don't like the vegetables. I don't want the vegetables to be too soggy. So like 10 minutes before turning off, then so our end time should be about 11:30. I'd say 11:30, 11:20, 11:30. Yeah, because even though I say half an hour for the chicken to cook, I may give it some more time. Yeah, so by 11:30 definitely I'll be finished. Soup is like 15 minutes on its way. 15 minutes since it's been cooking. So I'm gonna be adding the rice. Yeah, but with the amount of chicken, like, this is enough rice. So I'm just gonna the rice is already washed, and the rice takes about at least 10 minutes to cook. So it's about time for me to put the rice in. And most certainly, if you love rice, then you put as much rice as you would want to have rice. And so it is now 11:05. So about 5-10 minutes, guys, I'll add I'd say 10 minutes, I'll add the vegetable. Okay, so the rice now over 5 minutes, going on almost 10 minutes. Let me see here. Yeah, rice is almost cooked. It's not fully cooked, but so now it's time for me to just add everything. Okay, guys, I'm gonna be adding the remainder, and I'm loving the way this tastes. I want to thank my subscriber for wanting to know how I make my chicken soup with rice. I've never tried it before, and I'm really excited. I'm telling you guys, I'm excited about this recipe. It tastes really good. I love it, and it's not done as yet. Making sure you're gauging your stove. If it's cooking too fast, or you find that the water is drying out, then you're gonna obviously turn down the heat, right? If it's not boiling enough, then you turn it up. So that's what I've been doing, it gauging from 5 to 3. So it has a bit of a taste already. So with this base here, soup base, I don't want to make it too salty, so I'm just gonna, that's about a tablespoon, I'd say, of the soup base, and then I'll taste it. If it needs a bit more salt, then, even though I think it's salty, I love the, and without the soup base, this soup already tastes great. Just with the salt, the all-purpose seasoning, and the allspice and black pepper, tastes good. It's really good. So delicious. I have no regrets. And this is so delicious. Thank you to my subscriber for making this suggestion. I didn't want to put off making this soup any longer, guys, because I've been promising her for a while now, making the soup. I really love it. So, and it tastes good. It doesn't need anything else. I'm just gonna let it simmer. I'm gonna let it stay on 5. So I'll be like gauging the stove from 5 to 3. 5 to 3 or 2. Okay, so it's like 11:18 now. In 12 minutes, I think I'll turn it down turn the stove down on 3, and then at 11:30 I'll shut it off, just to give the chicken some more time to cook, guys. So guys, the chicken rice soup is finished. It is now 11:30, and I gave the soup 40 minutes to cook. Okay, and I find it to be a bit thick here, but I don't think I want it too watery. I'm just gonna add a little water here, just a little water, but it's fine. It's a bit thick, so it's a good thing I didn't put too much rice in it, because the rice thickens up the soup. 2.5 to 3 tablespoons of rice was good enough, but I think I want it at this consistency, so I won't put any more water. I did add just a little tip. Yeah, and I love the fact that I'm gonna be scooping up vegetables and celery and carrot, and this is a great way for me to enjoy my celery. Okay guys, so let me just do a taste test here. So guys, I'm just doing a taste test here, and here we have our carrot, celery, chicken, rice. It's really delicious, guys. I'm just tasting here. It's good. I highly recommend, guys. The rice, it tastes like noodle. I never knew the white rice gave off that effect that it tastes like noodle. So now I know whenever I don't have noodle, the rice is just as good. Take it from me, take my word. The rice tastes good with the chicken. The first time trying this. I want to thank my subscriber. Thank you so much for making this suggestion. So good. It's good, guys. So guys, please remember to give the video a thumbs up. When you hit the thumbs up button, guys, that shows that you like the video, and then that you show me that the video has been of some value to you, guys. When I say like the video, I mean give the video, hit the thumbs up button, give the video a thumbs up, share the video with your friends, and please go down into the comment section and let me know what is it that you would like to see me make. Thanks for joining me in another video, guys, and I am enjoying the soup. In the description below will be the recipe for this soup. So thank you, guys, and enjoy the rest of your day.